Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare, Pooja here. This is your weekly read. Let's see what's coming towards the collective from 18th of October till 24th. Okay, so this will be a general read, so it won't resonate with everybody. So take what resonates with you and leave the rest. So let's see. And guys, whenever you see this video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's see from 18th to 24th October what is coming towards the collective. Change and progress, beautiful. Prosperity and abundance. Accept love. Wow. Okay. Now, change and progress. Many of us resist change, especially the earth signs. They do not like change, but change is part and parcel of life. And see, there are two ways of looking at change. The boy is so happy with change and the cat is so scared. So it is a choice. I get thrilled with change. I get very happy with change because the routine bores me. I don't like being in the same routine. I like change. So everybody is different. And prosperity and abundance is coming in our lives, but we also need to relax, take a sit back and take some time to refill our cup with peace, refill our cup with happiness, with love for ourselves. So whenever we can take a few hours, if not a day, this is what should be done. This will faster the change process if you all are waiting for change. And for some of you all, new love is coming. So it is time to accept love, time to believe that you deserve love and deserve a good person or deserve a good partner. So start believing to start receiving. So let's see what else is coming towards the collective, what should be expected. Change and progress. Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. Fool, wow. 5 of Wands. 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so very soon, as they have said, the change is coming, and it is some change which is going to be very sudden, very beautiful, and even better than you expected. Okay, this can be an old problem, situation that you have been fighting for. So justice, you can get justice for something you have been waiting for, and it can be an old problem, an old fight, old situation, a problem with your ex, or some childhood property deal or anything. So very soon, within 8 days to 8 weeks, this can happen, as the change is galloping towards you guys. Okay, and just stay in high vibe, just maintain the positive vibe, just be sure and use this time to just take a chill pill, just relax, go with the flow. When nothing is happening, it is only that we cannot see it. Something is happening all the time. Okay, and very soon there is going to be celebration. You are going to celebrate it with your friends and family. Okay, and let me pull out a clarification for what is this 5 of Wands. I would like to know what is this fight about. Five of Swords, 4 of Cups, Star, King of Cups and Lovers. So this can be a fight between you and your partner. This can be an old fight for property, for home, shop, some property fight, some fight in your office. So this is something which has been going a long time, and this justice is going to give you lot of happiness. is going to give you lot of peace. Star is also for time for peace. See this temperance in star is also time that you feel happy, you feel satisfied, and you are at mental peace also. Okay, so I think this is a very beautiful, and if I should say a just energy, just J-U-S-T, just energy coming towards the collective. So some of you all will really resonate, and if you all want your personal read, then you all can join or book a reading from the tap link. All links are given in the description box. Okay, and surrender your belief in scarcity. Do not think that everything is limited. Universe has got unlimited resources. That is not your point of view or problem to think how will justice come, how will happiness come, how will change come. Just be ready to receive the change. Surrender to complete healing. So you really need time to heal. This is again a card of healing. You have to start. This is also relaxing, is also a time where you start healing. And the third card of healing is the star energy. So use this time of rest, of relaxation, and to really heal for something new and change, which will demand lot of energy from you guys. Okay, so see you again with a new video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.